Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel we are going to be talking once again about the Mantle 1 million tokens that is actually going to be given to the people that are going to be participating on the airdrop that we are talking about right here. All right, so recently I made a video about how to actually join this Mantle Surge airdrop, whereby we are going to be sharing 1 million Mantle token. So if you are hearing about this for the first time, or if you are just hearing about this Mantle Surge airdrop firstly, you need to go ahead and check out the video description, because I'll be leaving the video that is going to be teaching you how you can be able to join this airdrop. All right, but if you have already joined this airdrop, pay close attention, because there is something that I need you to know right here. All right, there is something that I need you to take note of right here, so that you can be able to position yourself very well and be able to participate on this airdrop successfully. So coming over here right now, I've actually completed 3 tasks right here, but on this one there is something that I need to show you guys right here on this one right here. Okay, so I'll be clicking on it right now, and once I click on it, this is where I'm going to be completing the task. And looking over here right now, I've actually completed some of the tasks, and the first one is simply learn how to connect, and of course this is where you copy your referral code. Okay, so coming over here to copy your referral code, there's something I need you to know right here. All right, so during the time that you are going to be completing this task that says copy your referral code, there is something that is very important for you to know. So over here, this is where you copy your referral code, and of course some people are going to be confused whether to put Bitcoin bybit UID, or which code are they supposed to put right here. But I need you to know that for you to be able to get the code, you need to actually click on open bybit to copy code. The code that is required right here is different from the code that is on your bybit account. All right, so to be able to get the code, you click on open bybit to copy bybit code. Once you click on it, you are going to be taken to your bybit account, where you need to log in if you haven't logged in yet. But if you have already logged in, this is where you need to click on join now. And once you click on join now, you are going to be taken straight to this place, and the code that you need is the code that we have right here. Okay, the code that you need is the code that's going to be given once you click on on-chain right here. And once you click on on-chain, this is where you are going to be copying your code. This is your code right here. Okay, this is the code that is required for you to put right there. All right, so once you click on copy my code, your code is going to be copied. So you need to head back immediately to the website where we are actually participating on the layer 3 quest. And once you click on continue, this is where you need to input your code. You click on this button right now, and you have to input your code right here. They said it's optional, but it is still important that you paste it right here, so that your reward is going to be tracked, and all you are doing on that bybit part of the airdrop is going to be syncing up with the task that you are completing right here on the layer 3. So once you paste the code right there, you go ahead and click on continue, and once just click on continue, the task will be completed immediately. And over here, this is where you mint your cube. Remember, your cube right here is what's going to be using to determine your reward, because the more cube that you have, the more airdrop allocation you are going to get. So you can see right here, just 5,000 people are currently the people that have actually completed this task, and we are sharing a total of 300,000 Mantle token. Just imagine how much 5,000 persons are going to be getting from 300,000 Mantle tokens. All right, so right now more people are going to be joining this as time goes on. So we go ahead and click on mint cube right now to proceed with the task. And right here, minting cube, MetaMask is going to be popping up, and right here you need to actually complete and confirm this transaction. You click on confirm, and once you click on confirm right now, this cube is going to be minted immediately within just a couple of minutes. All right, so right now guys, you can see we just completed this task right now, and that is how simple it is. All right, so right now guys, we have now completed this task, and we have gotten 5 cube. And right now guys, we need to click on next cube reward right now, and once you click on it, you can see that a lot of things are actually right here. And of course, this is where you need to actually level up right now. And of course, this is your a kind of your dashboard whereby you track your reward. All right, so that is how simple it is. And of course, this is the leaderboard. You can see people are really trying on this, people are really doing so much good job right here. So once you have minted your cube right here, you need to proceed to the next task, which is of course completing this task. Remember, this task is not yet unlocked. It's going to be unlocked within just a couple of days. All right, so coming over here right now to this task right here, let's see what we're gonna have from this last task before we then go. So over here right now, the task that you need to complete right here is very simple as well. First of all, you read the introduction, you verify that you are holding some Mantle token, you connect some social you connect to some social media, and of course you just go ahead and do all the stuff. All of them are very simple right here. And of course, once you are done with that, you go ahead and of course mint your cube and of course claim your XP. So right now we click on continue, and right now I have completed all the tasks. So this is the last one. I will click on verify, and right now I'm done with all the tasks that are required from us. So right now it is time for us to mint the cube. All right, so right now you go ahead and click on mint cube right now, and immediately this cube is going to be minted once the transaction is confirmed. Remember that you are going to be needing a little amount of Mantle token to cover the gas fees for the minting. You can see network fee $0.01, just 1 cent. All right, so you go ahead and click on confirm. Right now guys, the confirmation will be done and your cube is going to be minted immediately. So that is how simple it is to participate on this this quest that we are currently on. So going back right now, you can see that, let me show you something real quick. You can see that I have actually completed all this quest right here, and of course we are now waiting because in just a couple of days this quest right here is going to be unlocked. Then we proceed and then complete the task. All right, so that is how simple it is. And remember that the reward for this airdrop is very massive and you shouldn't miss out for any single reason. So if you want to be starting how to join, if you want to be learning how to join this airdrop, or if you want to be getting started immediately, check out the video description to see the link that's going to be taking you to the video that actually explains how you can be able to get started with this airdrop. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course do have a lovely day.